Solar's great for us and our future at home, being able to have a nice warm home in the winter, and we'd looked at putting a pool in, so having a nice heated pool in the summer will be great off the back of a solar system. Yeah, the install of our solar system at home was pretty straightforward. From the initial consult and design to a couple of weeks later, the install was a seamless process and non-invasive. The guys worked around our busy lifestyle at home. This was a big decision for our household, and at times on the park used to making some big calls. So this one, once we sort of weighed everything up, it was no-brainer for us. The long-term cost savings was certainly a huge one, and just the energy security at home was probably number 2 as well.
So the system here at Scott and Hannah's house is 13.5 kilowatts worth of Trina 500 watt panels. They've also got a 10 kilowatt inverter with 24 kilowatts worth of storage. Alongside that, they've also got a 7 kilowatt EV/AC to charge their electric car. So normally a system like this you'd expect to be taking off at least sort of half of the power bill. When you've got a battery, you sort of start to creep up, and realistically what a lot of customers find is it becomes a little bit of a game of how close to that net zero can you actually get. The difference a battery makes to a solar system is reasonably substantial. It gives you a lot of resilience against any grid outages or the rising power crisis.
Yeah, I was certainly surprised about the battery and how slim and efficient it is for certainly packing a punch with 24 kilowatt. Sort of fits into the corner of our garage perfectly. Simple, saves money, it's great for the environment, and you've got security and peace of mind at home. For us it's simple, the future is obvious and it's solar.